Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What time is it? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Watch. Tell. Teach. Time. Conversation. This is my watch.
It's cool. Can you tell time?
Yes, Mom taught me.
What time is it?
It's 8:30.
Wow, good for you.
Can you tell time?
Only a little.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. This is my watch.
It's cool. Can you tell time?
Yes, Mom taught me.
What time is it?
It's 8:30.
Wow, good for you.
Can you tell time?
Only a little.
Word quiz. Time. Teach. Watch. Conversation quiz. What did Lily say? This is my watch.
It's cool. Only a little.
What did Max say?
Can you tell time?
Yes, Mom taught me. This is my watch.
What did Lily say?
What time is it? Wow, good for you.
It's 8:30.
You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.